As new content creators, we often make mistakes when we're creating content and also uploading. Recently, I got a strike from one of the contents that I uploaded on my main channel, and it was really a small mistake that I thought was not big enough, but I realized that it was a huge mistake because of the copyright issues. So sometimes we need to really avail ourselves with the necessary information regarding community guidelines and copyright issues. And there's this new update from YouTube that I thought is very important for us to know, because as you're uploading videos, you might not really take keen interest in this, and sometimes you may find yourself in problems just because you ignored this. It's called disclosing use of altered or synthetic content. Now, YouTube is saying that we encourage creators' innovative and responsible use of editing or generating tools. At the same time, they also encourage that viewers want to know if what they are watching or listening to is real. So to help keep viewers informed about the content they are viewing, they require creators to disclose content that is meaningfully altered or synthetically generated when it seems realistic. So creators must disclose contents that makes a real person to say or do something they didn't know, or alters footages of real event or place, generates a realistic looking scenes that didn't actually occur. For example, now with the use of AI tools, this one happens quite often. Sometimes we tend to do this without knowing that we might land into an issue with the YouTube community guidelines. They said this could include content that is fully or partially altered or created using audio, video, image creations or editing tools. So disclose using the altered content, which is in the setting in YouTube Studio. So it is here. When you come to your YouTube Studio, I'm already in YouTube Studio. You scroll down here. It is this part here, altered content. So do any of the following describe your content makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do, alters footages of a real event or place, generate a realistic looking scene that didn't occur. So if you think you have applied something that is not original, you may want to click on yes. Otherwise, this content of mine, I picked it originally. I created it originally, and I don't think there's any altered thing inside here. That's why I've chosen no. But if you're not so sure, I think it's better you click on yes, because just to be on the safer side, because they say to follow YouTube's policy, you are required to tell us if your content is altered or synthetic and seems real. This includes realistic sounds or visuals made with AI or other tools. Selecting yes adds a label to your content. So it's better to be safe, because right now people use a lot of AI tools without knowing. You realize you are going against YouTube's policies. So to disclose that meaningful, altered, or authentic generated, the altered content setting is available. That's what I just showed you. So when you come here, they say examples of altered or synthetic content. The following list includes examples of altered or synthetic contents. So you can see here, this one doesn't require disclosure by creators, and then does require disclosure by creators. For example, applying beauty filters is not an issue. Then digitally generating or altering content to replace the face of one individual with another that requires you to disclose it. Then synthetically generating or extending a backdrop to stimulate a moving car. You can use this without any problem. Then digitally altering a famous car chase scene to include a celebrity who wasn't in the original movie. You need to disclose that. And then if you're using effects to enhance previously recorded audio, there's no problem with that. Then stimulating audios to make it sound as if a medical professional gave advice when the professional did not actually give that advice. You need to disclose that. Using an AI generated animation of a missile in a video. This one you can use it, doesn't require disclosure by creators. And then showing a realistic depiction of a missile fired toward a real city. You need to disclose this by yourself. So you need to go through this, and they say, does the altered or synthetic disclose altered or synthetic content? We require creators to disclose meaningful altered or synthetic generated content that seems realistic. And this is the procedure of doing it that I just showed to you. The last part is the risk of not disclosing. Now here you may need to take keen attention. It can be misleading if viewers think a video is real when it's actually been meaningfully altered or synthetically generated to seem realistic. When content is undisclosed, in some cases, YouTube may take actions to reduce the risk of harm to viewers by proactively applying a label that creators will not have the option to remove. Additionally, creators who consistently choose not to disclose this information may be subject to penalties from YouTube, including removal of the content or suspension from the YouTube partner program. That means you lose your monetization privileges, something you may not want to happen to you after all the efforts you make to build your channel. So I think it is important to take keen interest and attention to such policies so that we don't make mistakes again. If you found this content important to you, please subscribe to this channel and like the video as well. Thank you.